Magsalita ako. Tagalog. Okay. Tia! Tia! Sa loob. Tia, where are you? Ibig sabihin, Tia. Nasaan ka? Tia, where are you? Oh no, oh no, 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 no. Oh! I was right next to the bird! What?
Ba't dati gusto mo naman ng noodles? Hindi ka na kumakain noodles?
Gusto ko pa yung noodles!
O, di mamaya, paluto ka para may sabay mo.
Help me!
Ha?
Tia, I got shot. Ibig sabihin na baril ako.
Ano nilalaro mo?
Bird. Oh yeah, by the way, we're recording. Tia! 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 Na? Oh no! Are you going to be Mr. JR? Ayan na nakalagay, liter, Pogi, JR.
Nagturo sa'yo yan.
My God! Tia, ba't natagal? Why are you taking so slow to?
Ha?
Rin?
Diban? Dalay namin yan. Sabi din. Basta lang namin sabi ko.
Yay.
Huwag gabi, tsaka umaga.
Buksan mo na!
Anong sabi mo doon sa kanta? Ha?
Sabi niya babantayan niya daw si Daddy. Sabi niya babantayan niya daw si Daddy. Eh, napakan niya kay Paa.
Aroy!
Tapos ano?
Ay!
Kinukulit niya si Papa. Napakan niya yung Paa.
Gano'n lang siya, kanwari. Babal ko yan.
Damot mo? Padamot?
Kanina pa nagigagaamot.
Padamot?
Di man? Mainit lang?
Padamot? Oh! Help me! Eh, pa ako? Helping me! Helping me! Nagbibidyo kami. Wala dyan, magpupulang ka nga. Aba? Tagal? Everybody hide! Ay, lang dyan. Magkano pa ako sa video ko lang po-post muna. Oh my God! Tatlong nga lang yung mapopost mo eh. Oh my God! Wait lang. Tawag ka ni Yo, James. Hindi ko alam. Give me everything that you can me.
Bebe, yung itlog dyan, be. Nandito ka, tita Den. Dito nga. Nandito yung tubig, oh.
Give me everything.
Andiyan na lahat, di ba rin yun, di ba?
Oh my God.
May kasain, may
It's the Grandma's Aunties game, and I'm gonna see if my sister will play. Emma, do you want to play with me? No. Okay, you can roll first. Go. Emma, press the button. Do I have to? Yes. Watch out! No way! Wow! Emma, you lost. Oh. It's the Grandma's Aunties game, and I'm gonna see if my sister will. It's the Grandma's Aunties game, and I'm gonna see if my sister will play. Emma, do you want to? Mom, pink or?
Video mo nga, James. Ikaw magsalita muna kumakain.
Wala akong pake. Wala kami pake sa'yo. Mas magaling ako sa inyong dalawa. Oh my God. Look at this silly camper. We're gonna beat this little trusty ass bitch. Pull up, bro. Oh my God, pull up, ho. Oh my God. Fuck. Oh. I won.
They're not made for kids. Okay, so it's...
Join me. I beat the camper.
Look at this stupid camper. Look at this stupid little JR. Hey, JR! JR! You're stupid. JR, you're stupid. Kuya, can I call JR stupid? Can I call JR stupid? Give me everything you took from me. Keep up, I'm too fast. I'm too fast. I'm too fast. Oh, I am innocent. How about you?
Oh my
Ouch.
God, I don't know what I am.
Are you a freaking murderer?
Yes, I am.
Hey, don't!
Sorry.
Remember, I'm the new guy with freaking blonde hair, with the default knife, with the default gun, with the freaking crappy
Oh my
ass
God.
outfit.
Fuck this little
That's
bitch.
me. I was trying to mind my own business. Bumili kang ice cream yan? And pangit si Kia. May sila sabihan. Kia, mag-post ka na sa YouTube. Wala pa nga akong puso. Stop ko muna.
Oh my God.